Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to Yoga and Hikes with Mike. Today's focus will be the shoulders, rolling them down and back and pinching them in towards one another. We will start to warm up the body with extended mountain into a forward fold, halfway lift, walk out to a high plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. Side out, exhale, downward facing dog. Step your left foot in between your hands and come up into Warrior 2. Focus your attention on all 10 toes. Feel them grounding you. Switch into Warrior 2 on the opposite side. Focus your attention on your hands and feel them pulling your shoulder blades away from each other, and then pinch your shoulder blades in towards one another. Personally, my hips are very tight, so feel free to play around with the angle of your knee and ankle. Gently shift your gaze in different directions and notice how it affects your pose. Humble Warrior, clasp your hands behind your back and fold over your front leg. Humble Warrior on the other side. Inhale through your nose, side out through your mouth. Low lunge on the left side. Low lunge on the other side. Position your front knee over your ankle. Pinch your shoulder blades and expand through your chest and your upper back. You could maybe try circling your head. Breath work. Inhale as you reach your arms up and exhale through your mouth as you pull your arms down towards your shoulders.